Okay, this video tutorial is all about how to install virtual machines using HyperV Manager, which comes with Windows 10, and you don't need to install VirtualBox or any other tool to get this done. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you have Windows feature for HyperV is enabled. So let's go and check that. Here make sure that you have HyperV enabled, and also the next step would be you go to services and check whether the HyperV this one, HyperV virtual machine management is has started. So you need to make sure that those are the prerequisites, and also what the next thing would be starting the HyperV Manager, right? Just type HyperV and then you can find the HyperV Manager. And here what we're going to do, first we are going to connect to a computer. So I'm using my local computer for installing the Linux VM. So I have already created a VM, so that shows up here, but for you all to understand, let me create a new one also. Go to new, create a virtual machine, and go to next, give it a name, go for test, and you can specify where you want that that virtual machine where you want that virtual machine to be located. So I'm locating here, and next. So you can adjust the startup memory next, and you can adjust you can set up the network connection for that, and virtual hard disk, it will be saved under this location, and I'm going to change the default setting to 10 GB, and next. So this step is where you provide the operating system image. So it's easy for me to mount the image and locate the physical drive for that. Also you can, if you have the ISO file, you can specify the ISO file here, or else right click on the ISO file and mount it, and from there onwards you can find the disk where find the CD drive where it automatically maps into. So let me select next and finish. So this won't take more than a minute, so it will create the VM. Okay, and right click on it and connect, and click on start. So this will initiate, and this will call this ISO file, and this will invoke the setup. So as you can see, this is the starting point where you install Ubuntu. So you can proceed with this once you set this thing up. So since I've already set it up, let me show you how easy it is. So let me shut down this PC. Let me stop this. Okay, and delete this one, and I already have one. Yeah, this one. So it's very simple and it's very easy. So this is it, and also I'm using Windows 10. My version is 1709. So that will help you guys. So I'm having the latest one. So that's it, and if you guys have any questions, please comment below the video, and if you have anything to be discussed, also put under the comment section, and I will reply when I get free time. Also please make sure to subscribe, and I'll be adding a lot of videos within next week. Thank you for your time, and thank you everyone. Bye bye.